So let's solve this equation. Divide both sides by x. X cancels x, x cancels x. Y is equal to 9. Is this right? No, it's not right. Where is our x? X is gone. You cannot divide both sides of an equation by a variable because you don't know what value that variable is holding. Imagine if x is equal to 0, which means you are succeeded in dividing both sides by 0, which is undefined. So that's why you don't divide both sides by a variable. Instead, this is what you are supposed to do when you have an equation like this. To solve this, we're going to transpose 9x to the left-hand side. It's going to be minus 9x is equal to what? 0. Now factorize this. What is common between these two terms? X is common. Let's factor that out. And then that leaves us with y minus 9, which is equal to what? 0. So from 0 product rule, when the product of two values is equal to 0, is either one of the values is equal to 0 or the two values is equal to 0. So it means that x is equal to 0 or y minus 9 is equal to 0. So taking this a step further, y is equal to 0 or x is equal to 0 rather. When you transpose negative 9 to the right hand side, you have 9. So you see, we now have the values of x and y. But when we divided both sides by x, x just disappeared, just like that. But now we have the value of x and the value of y. So again, to wrap up, do not divide both sides of an equation by a variable because you don't know what value that variable is holding. Hope that makes sense. I'll catch you in the next one.